Want to know how to make anyone obsessed and fall deeply in love with you through texting? Here are 7 unique types of text messages to get them burning with intense desire for you. Take note that some of these texts are more intimate than the others, so it's up to you to gauge which texts to send based on the deepness of your connection with that special someone. 1. Mystery texts. Mystery texts make them curious and intrigued enough to want to know more. They'll leave them hanging and constantly hungry for the answer. The more open-ended the text, the better. Use these texts when you want to spice up your relationship with excitement and surprises. Examples include: I have a big surprise for you, and you're gonna love it. Could you keep a secret? Please. I'd like to make a confession, but keep it between us. I got a special gift for you, but you need to do something for me first. I learned something about you, and I'm very impressed. You can't imagine what I'm fantasizing about you right now. I'm wearing something that will make your jaws drop. 2. Funny texts. Everyone loves to laugh and have a good time. So showing your sense of humor using funny texts, or even cheesy pickup lines, is one of the best ways to make someone chase you. Knowing how to laugh at yourself, or even at your mistakes, indicates you have a high self-esteem. It shows you don't take yourself too seriously. Use them to initiate text conversations with your dream person or break the ice. These texts are especially handy when things start to get stale and boring. Examples include: Are you the god of fire? Because you're so hot. Do you have ways? 'Cause I got lost thinking of you. Are you ChatGPT? Because you're my answer to everything. I'm not a photographer, but why are you always smiling at me? Damn gravity. I'm always falling for you. You can also text them about past awkward or embarrassing situations. It's fun to cherish these moments where both of you laughed your hearts out. For example, you can reminisce of the time you both were talking while someone is between you. Or that time when you saw 2 ladybugs making love. Remind them of these funny moments to get your special someone chasing you, and your fun, positive vibe. 3. Empathic texts. These are perfect for making them feel understood and cared for. This allows them to open up about their emotions without fear of judgment. Use empathic texts when you sense that they're going through a challenging time or situation. Reassure them that you'll always be there to listen and help them in any way you can. Sample texts include: You're my priority and I want you to know how much you mean to me. I will support you through thick or thin, I promise. I'm always here for you, you're never alone. What you're going through is not easy, but together we can conquer anything. I know how you feel, I'll help you get through the pain. I'm here if you need someone to talk to. I'm sorry if I made you feel insignificant, you're the best thing that happened to me. 4. Ego-boosting texts. Everyone wants to get acknowledged for their strengths, skills, effort, or contribution. These texts make them feel good and let them know they have the qualities and achievements that you admire. Send them and watch their confidence soar. Sample texts include: You always make me happy with your smile and positive attitude. Can you stop being so gorgeous for a moment? I can't finish my work thinking about you. I'm so impressed with the way you handle things. I feel so good when you make me laugh, your sense of humor is something else. Thank you for being so thoughtful, you always know what I want. You have no idea how charming you are. I love the way you make me feel really special and appreciated. You're the only person in this world who understands me. Your skills are impressive. Is there anything you can't do? 5. Thinking of you texts. These thoughtful texts let them know how much they mean to you, because you remember or see them even in the simplest things and situations. They also imply you're an active listener and cares about their wants or interests. Use them anytime you come across anything that reminds you of them. This can even be a memory of a past event or a thought that suddenly pops in your head. Sample texts include: I was reminiscing about our first kiss and it made me blush. I thought of you when I read this touching story. This reminds me of you. Then send a photo of something heroic, or a thing or place that has sentimental value to both of you. I saw this video and thought it could help you in your job. I was smiling ear to ear when I remembered how you expressed your affections to me. I was remembering our first date. It was the happiest moment of my life. I had the most wonderful experience that reminded me of something we did. 6. Value increasing texts. The scarcer or rarer something is, the more value is attached to it. The same goes for human relationships. Don't make them feel that your whole world revolves around them, or that you've got nothing else going on but them. They have to make the effort to chase you. These texts use scarcity to increase your value and make them want you more. Just don't overdo it and use your judgment. Remember also to not always reply back immediately after they text you. This might give the impression that you're too eager or hungry for their messages. Sample texts include: "Sorry, I'm busy at the moment. This Friday maybe? I can't come later, we'll let you know when I'm free. Sounds exciting, but I'm not available now. You'll just have to fantasize about me for the meantime. Sorry, can't talk with you right now. Got a deadline to finish. How about next week? I need some me time right now." 7. Flirty texts. Ready for some physical and sensual bonding? Then learn how to flirt over text. These seductive text messages are great for showing your interest in them. They also make them feel desired, excited, and even aroused. Use them when you're feeling flirty and ready to take your relationship to the next level. These texts give them the hint that they should make a move, or that you're willing to make the move. They will grab on that opportunity at the first sign, if they're into you. So use this strategically and responsibly. Sample texts include: "I'm blushing just thinking of you. If you can do absolutely anything you want with me, what would it be? I'm bad at kissing. I hope someone would show me how to do it right. Come over here. I want to show you something, just promise me you won't drool. Are you just going to stand there, or are you going to make a move? What's your wildest fantasy? Perhaps I could help you with that." Use these 7 types of text messages now and watch them become obsessed over you. Falling in love is not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes, misunderstandings and arguments may ensue. Watch this video next to know how to resolve arguments and differences of opinions.